In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your speaker volume on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you'll go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile, and then on the left side, select sound. On the right side, versus choose your output device. If you have multiple ones connected, select the one you want to change. And then where it says master volume, you can drag it to the left or right if you want to increase or decrease it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.